How to set up AT&T email on your Android phone. A step-by-step guide for easy configuration. Why set up AT&T email on your phone? 1. Access emails on the go. 2. Stay connected with work and personal messages. 3. Easy and efficient communication. Prerequisites for setting up AT&T email. 1. Active AT&T email account. Ensure your account is active and credentials are correct. 2. Internet connection, a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. 3. Email app installed. Android phones come with default email apps, for example, Gmail, Samsung Mail. Alternatively, you can install your preferred app. Required information for configuration. Required information for configuration. 1. Incoming mail server. Server, imap.mail.it.net. Port, 993. Security type, SSL/TLS. 2. Outgoing mail server. Server, smtp.mail.it.net. Port, 465. Security type, SSL/TLS. 3. Username, your full AT&T email address. Password, your AT&T email account password or secure mail key. Step 1. Open the email app. Launch the default email app or your preferred email client. Tap Add Account or navigate to the settings to add a new account. Step 2. Enter your email address. Type your full AT&T email address, for example, username@it.net, into the field provided. Tap Next to proceed. Step 3. Choose account type. Select IMAP for account type to ensure all emails stay synced between devices. Tap Next. Step 4. Configure incoming server settings. Enter the following details. Server, imap.mail.it.net. Port, 993. Security, SSL/TL. Step 5. Configure outgoing server settings. Enter the following details. Server, smtp.mail.it.net. Port, 465. Security, SSL/TLS. Authentication, enabled. Use the same username and password. Tap Next. Step 6. Complete the setup. Choose your sync frequency, for example, every 15 minutes. Enable notifications if desired. Tap Done to finalize the setup. Troubleshooting tips. 1. Login issues. Reset your password via AT&T's official website. Use a secure mail key instead of a password. 2. Server error. Double-check server settings and ports. Ensure SSL/TLS is enabled. 3. Sync problems. Clear the app cache or reinstall the email app. Need help? Contact AT&T customer support. Phone, 1-800-288-2020. Website, https://www.it.com. Visit AT&T's support page for detailed FAQs. Thank you.